Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get to the Audi Q7 battery. The battery is conveniently located under the front passenger seat, which might surprise some. Before you begin, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface and completely turned off. You'll need a few basic tools, like a Torx bit set, to access it. This guide will walk you through each step, making the process straightforward and manageable for anyone. To access the battery, first slide the front passenger seat all the way forward. This reveals the two Torx bolts at the rear of the seat rails. Remove these bolts carefully. Next, slide the seat fully backward to expose the two front Torx bolts. After removing those, you can gently tilt the seat back, providing clear access to the battery compartment underneath. Take your time with each step. With the seat tilted, you can now see the battery. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal first using a suitable wrench. Then proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. After both terminals are safely disconnected, locate and remove the battery hold-down clamp or strap. This secures the battery in place. Once released, you can carefully lift the old battery out of its compartment, ready for replacement. Now place your new battery securely into the compartment. When reconnecting, always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Ensure all connections are tight and secure. Reinstall the battery hold-down clamp. Then, reverse the seat removal steps, securing all four Torx bolts. Finally, start your vehicle and check all electrical systems, like the radio and lights, to confirm everything is functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.